I know you're doing that on purpose. You know I'm doing that just to mess with you, too. Oh, what do you have there? Let me guess, you're gonna throw it? No, you're gonna keep hold of it. What did I expect? You can get down there and get it. You can go down there and get it out. Huh? Dang it. He doesn't like them in there. I go back and... What? You realize I'm just messing with you now? Oh, look at that, they're in there. Is that gonna bother you? I know it will. You do something weird for me? I don't want any birdie butt. You scream for me? You can say what? And boom. You're not gonna get that out. No siree. I gotta take that out. It's the camera. Peekaboo. Watch this. Well, come here. Well, come here. Come here. What? Come here. No, don't you dare learn how to open your cage. That's the last thing I need you to do. That's the very last thing I want you to learn how to do. What was that? Come here. Come here. Come here. No, you want to. Come here. No, you nearly fell. Have I taught you enough? Huh? Have I taught you enough? Have I taught you enough? Come out here. You're not gonna hide in your cage. Hide in your cage while I'm pestering you. Come here. Whoop. What does that feel good? Gotta be trimmed. Don't you dare chew my phone. Hey, Dark. Mess with your band. Mess with the band. Huh? You don't like me messing with it?